Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite YouTuber, the best risk analyst right here. And as you all know, it's another one. Yeah, we got another one right here, and usual, I'm gonna also tell you guys about a cockroach in the building. I'm gonna analyze for you guys the risk. As a risk analyst, I'm gonna give you guys plainly, put everything down and tell you necessary steps you should actually take. And so if you're watching this video right now, you coming across this video before investing, or maybe you have heard about those tricks, and before investing you decide to do a little due diligence, well, you are in the right path. Trust me, after this video you'll get the whole concept and understand the best thing you should actually do. So just watch this video. Likewise, if you have already invested in this and looking out to actually make millions, because that's what this project is actually telling you, that you can make millions, right? Looking forward to make millions, this video is for you. You need to know your fate, right? You need to know your fate. Alright guys, as DJ Khaled will always say, it's another one. Let's go on. And now we're talking about the tricks. The tricks. I think that should be the right pronunciation. I'm getting it right? Please let me know. The tricks. Alright, so the tricks is actually a crypto coin that's designed just like the Ultron. I believe for those of you who are interacting with the Ultron, Marvel, the Ultron Foundation, Layer 1. Yeah, it's actually the same. It's actually the same. There are a few differences here. Just the same thing, using different approach to hit you guys. That's basic. Now, there's another project promising you to actually invest in for a couple of years, 100 weeks. That should be around 7 years. And expect to make millions. Well, that's it. Now I want to analyze and break down every single thing for you guys, so pay full attention. Okay, now in this project actually said you earn 2% weekly depending on the hoops you actually buy. So what you're doing right now is to buy hoops, locked down. The difference from this and the Marvel Ultron is that you can actually withdraw your daily earnings. I think that's the only difference, because in the Marvel Ultron it's an auto stake. Now for those of you who don't know about Marvel Ultron, and you know about it but you want me to do a due diligence, or you want to know the possible future of it, right? You've invested in it. Now you can see that video above, the cards above. Watch that video. I did a proper review telling you exactly what you guys should actually do. Check out that video. It will be also at the end of this video. Alright, so you can just wait, and after the video you can simply go and watch it, so you get the whole concept of the scheme, how these guys want to actually attack you guys, and you can actually block. You understand, right? So you can watch that video. It will be at the end of this one. I'm going to remind you also. Now back to the tricks. Now the tricks also is telling you the same thing. Invest in us for 7 years. Now, you invested in 7 years. What is the fate of this token in 7 years? Most especially for those of you who are going to buy this token at a higher price. Let's take for instance, now the token is already $200. Now you buy this token with $1,000 at a price of $200, right? And let's say at the end of 7 years, the price, or not even 7 years, maybe at the end of this year, the price drops. It drops down to $2 or $3. It's not surprising. I mean, the SAFU was the same, right? The SAFU went up to over 300, and now it's at $2 or $3. So, and it wasn't up to a year. Was it up to 4 months, 5 months? So it's possible. So you don't know what the fate will be even at the end of this year. If the coin drops to $2 or $5, $10 at the end of this year, trust me, if you're receiving 2% every week, will you make anything? Will you even make half of $1,000 in 20 years? Definitely you won't. So it's become worthless. So that's what you guys should understand. What will be the value of this token in the coming years? But nobody is talking about that. You all want to invest. You see a new project, you want to invest. DeFi project, I want to invest, I want to make money, I want to become Bill Gates. No, that's not how it's done. These projects are only full of promises. Now let me tell you something. Now Tell me any coin, any crypto, any DeFi project, any cryptocurrency in the market that actually came out and was built on hype. Was hype. Now, hype people hyping the project for what it doesn't have, just hyping it for what is yet to actually come. That's simple hype. And that no project has actually survived with a hype. Take a look at a bigger project in the market. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin took a long while before it actually grew. It wasn't built on hype. The owner never hyped it. It was just created and people began to trade it later on and it grew. Ethereum, the same. Ethereum took long also before it actually grew. Now let's take a look at the BNB. Now I know a lot of you will be asking that the BNB actually didn't take long before it actually grew, right? But it took some time, right? It took some time, yeah. But I'm going to tell you why the BNB actually grew faster compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? Let me tell you why. Now, before the BNB was actually created, there was an exchange, which is the Binance exchange. So the BNB actually came like a backup for an already established project, which means, let me tell you the scenario. Let's say I'm trading with Binance and BNB hasn't been launched, but suddenly BNB was launched and I am trading with Binance. Definitely I don't need anyone to actually tell me to buy this token because I'm gonna buy it. See, the owner of Binance, CZ, never actually invite you to come over and invest in BNB and get a return, or invest in BNB for a couple of years and get this return, or he never give you a commission for referring people to buy BNB. No, that's simple thing you guys should understand. Now, moving on. Do you know why all these guys, all those YouTubers are actually shoving this down your throat? Now it's due to the commission. A 15% commission of whatever you invest. It's going down to them. Let's take for instance now, I invest in $1,000, $150 actually goes to the one who refer me. So it's a high one. Why do you think that these people, the creators of this coin, the owner of this project, is actually giving the project a 15% referral bonus? Why? So that all those YouTubers, all those marketers will be changing. We actually promote this with high demand so they can get your money to their pocket. Yes. And they claim there's a constraint on the referral bonuses. Why make it so big? That's the question. Why make it so big? Obviously to instigate the market, to instigate those YouTubers, those marketers to shove it down investors' throat. That's it. That's a simple reason, the simple ideology. And when YouTubers and marketers keep promoting it and keep growing it, that's when it's built on hype. That's the hype. And the hype always dies. The hype always dies because let me tell you this, no potential investor, I'm talking of people who have a lot of money, whales in the market, none of them will actually find interest in all these projects. None of them, because they actually know that it's basically hype. I don't know if I'm communicating. I don't know. Forget about all those list of partners and exchanges. There is nothing. They are all based on hype. Their website integration, just simple graphics and words. So you guys need to watch out. That's what you guys need to watch out. Now, I don't know other person is telling you this on YouTube because they won't. I'm the best in the business. I'm the best risk analyst right here. You can actually, I help you break down every single risk there is in a Ponzi or in any investment. Now, I know you guys will be wondering, what do you advise? What are your suggestions? Yeah, I have one. Now, I will recommend you guys not going through investing into this for 7 years? That's ridiculous. Now you can make money from this project. Yeah, definitely you can make money from this project. But how can you make that money? Now this coin may be listed in other exchanges and other swap. Why don't you just go directly and buy this coin, and when it grows you can swap immediately? As simple as that. Very simple. You want to invest in the project? Why go dump your money into where you'll be getting 2% every day or 5% every week, and don't know what the future holds for you? Because your money will be locked for 7 years and you can do anything. If you see the price falling, you just do nothing but watch. Why don't you simply use the wisdom of going to buy the coin in a different exchange or swap and holding it? When the price appreciates, you sell. Simple. Try that wallet. Yeah, they have a wallet. They have a wallet whereby you can stake token, or you can actually just keep token without staking them. Somebody say without granting custody to them. Well, that's wrong. They own the wallet. How well do you know the wallet is built? Custody or no custody? The 12 phrase is right there. They have control over the wallet. They actually created it. Who said it's fully decentralized? Who said it's a decentralized wallet? Who said so? How can you actually tell? What if you invest in the wallet? It's just simply for them to gain, for them to have more access to those funds you keep there. It's just simple, very simple. I know, yeah, you'll be thinking that they're actually creating the wallet so that you can actually use the wallet so that can help the coin actually grow in the future. Well, that's not the whole case. That's not the whole case. They actually pick interest in you holding your coin in their wallet. Use their wallet. That's not going to help the situation. Now you guys should understand, the earlier you understand, the better. Therefore, project, you need to be very careful. Investment, you need to be very careful. I help you guys do all the risk analysis there is. Once it comes to my table, I take care of it. As easy as that. That's it. I know right here now in the comment section, I know a lot of haters will be ready to drop the comment. Well, I don't really care. I can actually respond to your comment politely. Doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter, because I know it happens always whenever I come out and I'm exposing out all those cockroaches. A lot of people actually come as like a hater and then try to communicate with me, try to challenge me in the comment section. Well, I don't really care. I don't really care. So guys, that's also it. I'm actually here trying to educate you guys. That's what I do. I don't really care about the referral. I don't really care about telling you guys to go use my link because of some 50% referral commission I want to get, or 15% I want to get. No. The main aim here is the safety of the community, and trust me guys, if you're not seeing this the way I'm seeing it, by the end of this year, or maybe close to maybe January, February next year, I don't think this project will be as good as this, because all the hype will actually come down, and as the hype is coming down, the money, the price, everything is dropping, and also the 2% you will be receiving weekly will also drop. And if the coin is at $5, you're receiving 2%. What are you getting? All this, you need to actually think about it. You need to think them through. Think properly. It's simple. Well, I just really hope you guys can actually analyze what I have said and learn to work towards it. It's simple. You want to invest? Go get the coin. Go get the coin. Get it from other exchange. I think it's an all bank exchange. You can get it from there. You can check it. If you can get it from PancakeSwap, you can actually get it there. Keep it in your wallet, and later on, when the price goes up, you sell. As simple as that. Definitely, you can't actually tell me to fall for this. Even the owner can't even tell me to fall for this. Well, I really hope this video gets to him. Yeah, I hope it gets to him. If you're watching right now, keep sharing this video, and I hope it gets to him. If you have something to say, she come over and say it to me. Well, that's that. Alright guys, I think that should be all. Now if you really want to watch the Ultron Marvel video to know exactly what to put in place, yeah, like I said, I've actually analyzed that and all the risk involved, and I pointed out those for you as well. If you want to get that video, I'm going to leave it right here above in the cards above. You can see it right here right now. You can click on it and then you can watch it right now. Okay guys, that will be all for this video guys, until I see you in another one. Bye.